it's Megan with WTI, and are you one of those people who tend to be warm or cold? I personally always tend to feel cold. That's why sweater dresses appeal to me so much, but it can be a real challenge to find one that is flattering. But I have finally found a super flattering one in this Viottiset sweater dress. This dress comes in so many amazing colors, but I am so happy with the gorgeous rich green color one that I received. The fabric has great thickness and stretch. It feels super high quality and is not see-through in the slightest. I'm one of those people who lives in t-shirts and hoodies, but I feel so grown up and elegant in this dress. It's really a nice change for me. If there is anything that I have learned from watching fashion shows, it's that a looser bottom should always be paired with a fitted top and vice versa. This dress is completely in harmony with that fashion principle. The more voluminous sleeves and upper half goes so well with the more fitted waist and hip area. It really balances out the whole look of this dress. I really love the V back. I think it is so cute and feminine without being too extreme. I'm so happy that this V back doesn't go so low that it would show my bra, which I think would be kind of tacky and take away from the classiness of this dress. Of course, the sweater material makes this dress really, really comfortable and cozy too. I am so glad to have found a sweater dress that is not only warm, but beautifully styled too. And I can't wait to wear it to my next event. And that's my point of view.